Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be doing this again. I'm gonna be doing adding fidgets into slime. I have a cut, so feel it. Oh. Okay, so first fidget I'm gonna cut open. Scissor warning. No, I'm pulling out scissors. But I'm gonna cut open this. It's so nice. It has straight pops. So this must have good stuff inside. Also, if you're younger, get parent supervision. If you're not allowed to use scissors. Just in general, you should have parent supervision if using scissors. Well, depending, but still, just at least ask. And if they say no, get parent supervision with scissors. And guys, don't cut open your toys. I'm doing this for you guys. And this is all stuff I don't need. So don't cut up your toys, guys. It's just not cool. Like, if your parents... So you're pretty much cutting up money. So if you bought something and you cut it up, it's pretty much money. Nothing happened. Okay, let's see what's in here. Well, rubber bands. They exploded all over my room. Well guys, I guess I have a rubber band slime now. Oh, this feels weird. I don't really like it. It makes the slime like rippy a little. Now I have rubber bands all over my table. I'm lifting up this cap so I can get all the rubber bands into this thing. Do you have another cap? Yes, I do have another cap, but now I'm going to throw those rubber bands in there. Okay, guys, well, that didn't end out very well. Okay. Now I'm going to find a slime to add stuff into. Okay. Make it enough so it can hold something. Should be enough. So, my other one is a see-through one, and I already know there's rubber bands in it. So I'm not gonna break that and use some of the extra ones, and cut them. Also, somewhat next week I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree search with my mom, and she is not used to fidgets. So yeah, she's just at jackpot, and she's trying to see if there's any fidgets there either. So we're gonna just look around everywhere. So I guess on probably, I don't know when, but soon. Okay. It kind of just feels like sprinkles and slime. So I'm actually just going to use this one for the next one because it didn't really change the texture. I got this little fish thing. It feels like they're foam beads and like beads. I don't know. Let's see. Well, this thing really wants to be destroyed. And up, and up, and up. Okay. Almost got it all cut enough. Okay. So I made like a little triangle right here. What? How's that in there? Whoa, that's cool. There's beads and rubber bands. How do rubber bands get in there? Wow. I would never guess that's in these. There's squish. There's like soft. There's like stuffed animals of those. Okay, that's probably how it made that really cool noise when it was in there. Sorry, beads are dropping everywhere. You probably can hear it. So this one's like a mystery slime. Wait, let me see what time it is. It is 11:50. Okay, it's 12 o'clock right now. So that since this one is actually this one's really nice, but since this one is a little like hard, I'm gonna add some of my DA activator. It's in my balloon. It's coming out. Oh yeah, it's coming. So my deactivator is just literally oobleck, sort of. It's like oobleck type stuff. It's not oobleck, but it's kind of like oobleck. I haven't played with oobleck in forever. Think about it, I've never done an oobleck video. This one just doesn't turn to solid liquid, it just turns a little goopier. So, oh, it feels so cool. I love how my deactivator feels. Okay, now let's add it into this. So it's gonna make it like this stuff less sticky. I mean, more sticky. I want it to be more sticky. So it's like actually like a good slime. This is kind of a bad slime. Hardwood floor, so it bounces. Yes, I'm in my room. I don't really know why I still have those weird princess pictures, but I'm probably gonna have to sell those at the garage sale. At a garage sale, I might be doing. I hope soon I can do a garage sale. Okay. Okay, now it's slime smoothies time. Now let's mix them. And also, you guys, in some of my videos that have comments, you guys always ask, where do I put all my slime smoothies afterwards? Well, I'll show you after I make this slime smoothie. Oh, slime smoothie is just not, it's pretty good, it's just not the stretchiest. So, with my slime smoothies, I normally just throw them in this bin. So, I guess we're doing a slime smoothie. And you would see this one from my other one. Oh, it feels so cool. These one feel so good together. So literally out of 2 slimes, I got 1 giant slime. So yeah, this one's about the size of my hand. Now I have letter blocks all under this. So I normally also just throw my extra stuff. I cut up fidgets a lot. I probably could still make this a big video. I could make this one of my long ones. Why not? Okay. Next fidget I'm going to cut open is, let's just go, I'm going to add it all into this slime, so everything goes in this slime. I already know what's in that one because I made that one. Let's do one of my mini paper squishies. I already know what's in it, but you guys don't. Well, probably do, because if you saw my video. Scissor warning now. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It would make me and my cat very happy. Even though my cat Carl is not even in here. He is not. So I'm just going to take a piece of his slime and add it. it feels weird. Oh, ooh. Feels really weird. I actually kind of like it. Ooh, it still bubble pops. It feels like hair and slime. Actually, like, I like it. So I added all that into it. That's literally all that was in this one. There's no more. Oh wait, there's a little more. So I'm gonna add that too. But to prove there is no more. Oh, there's a little right there. Oh, it's stapled in. Okay, I got it out. I really hope this stuff doesn't ruin it. But with my homemade deactivator, it works. Oh, by the way, how I make my deactivator is I just put, it's flour, a lot of water to make this consistency, and salt. So you want to add flour and salt, mix them together, and then add a lot of water. Just add it until it looks it's like about an oobleck consistency. It just doesn't run like oobleck. But yeah, that's how you can make my deactivator. I also I do have the bottles of them. I normally just put this in water and hand sanitizer. So now I'm going to try adding my bottled. I just want to play with my deactivator all day. But it is edible if you add no coloring to it. I add coloring, but if you don't add any coloring, it's edible. It's not very good, but it actually tastes like pizza dough. It's good. I like it. I know I'm weird. Okay, next one. Ooh, what should I cut up next? I think I'm gonna... Oh, what's in this one? I don't know what's in this one. Should I cut it up? Why not? So this one's actually not my favorite. It's kind of hard. Scissor warning. I already pulled them out before I said scissor warning. But on this Tuesday, I'm so excited because I am going to be doing a fidget haul. I am so excited. ASMR. I don't think you can hear it. Also, like I said, get parent supervision with scissors. Wait, that's in there? Why does it make this really bad squishy? It's just some fuzz. Well, this feels a little different than the other one. I love playing with the fuzz. I'm not going to add that into the slime. I don't want to wreck it. Ugh. Okay. Okay, sorry. That's not very... This is already 14 minutes. I thought it said 40 for a second. I'm like, nah, that's not possible. Oh, this one feels a little different. I don't think there's just going to be fuzz. If it is, I have a whole load of fuzz. Scissor warning now. It's like there's like stuff falling from my hands. Oh, it's foam balls. Or foam beads. I like foam beads better. A lot of people call them that. Sorry about that. Noise. Okay. Okay. These fidgets do not like cutting. My scissors are pretty good. Oh, it's fuzz and beads. Okay, I'm gonna add some of the beads and I guess a little bit of the fuzz. Okay, let's add some beads. Okay, there's not much beads. Beads are just falling everywhere, so there's not going to be much beads in the slime. So I guess more fuzz. Okay, I have a lot of fidgets. I'm just cutting up all of them. That's what it seems like. Okay, I haven't done this one yet. Why? And how? Why and how? Well, I guess we're going to do the soy band. I have no idea what. Oh, it's a fish. Okay, cut the fish. Sorry to any YouTubers that have like a name called like fish or whatever. Like, sorry, I don't want to like be mean, and I love fishes. I just had to for this video. Now I'm gonna cut this. By the way, no fishes were harmed in the making of this video. Or fish. Wait, I already just said fish. Oh my gosh, I cut up 2 fishes already. I feel like I just don't feel. I just. Weird noises coming out of my mouth. I don't know how I'm making them anymore. Sorry, it's like. What time is it? It is 12:05. That doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. I think I'm losing my mind. I don't think I'm going to be fine. Always keep your fingers away from the scissors, kids. I'm turning 10 really soon in September. I'm gonna get a ton of fidgets, and hopefully I will film my video. I don't know. I'm gonna probably make a video for my birthday. I don't know. I've never done one yet because I haven't had my birthday when I was making YouTube. Like, I haven't had YouTube. I've only had it for like 3 months. Like, my channel. And I already have like 150 videos. More like 100, 200 almost. Almost 200. Okay. Those didn't really change. So my slime's starting to get big. And rippy. Let's add a little bit of the real, like, let's add a little bit of the dough. What's your favorite animal? Put it in the comments down below. My favorite, probably a cat. I love dogs. I'm just more of a cat person. I'm not saying I hate dogs. I prefer cats. If you're a cat person, comment down below and you get me. And cats are easier and more fun, at least. Just to me. Unless it's like one of those weird cats. Like, all day. They walk around and sleep. That's what my cat kind of does. But he does play a lot. And he's such a good kitty snuggler. Sorry. I don't know what I was squishing. Like, trying to squish. I don't know. Sorry, I'm going insane. Because I don't have a brain. I have a brain. I'm going insane because I have a brain. I don't know what I'm singing because I don't know. Okay. Well, that's pretty good for today's video. And you guys always wonder, how do I get my videos, like, to perfectly the time I want? Well, I just cover it until it says that time. That's literally all I do. So I want this video to 20 minutes. So I'm not gonna, yeah. But, I'm gonna fill this whole thing with the activator. I'm gonna have a whole little container of it. This container does not have a lid, so I'm gonna have to find a different container. Okay, we're at 19 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, I love this stuff. Poof, blah, bloof, la, leaf, la, ba, la, ba, lu, ba, la, ba, lu, ba, super. Sorry about background noise also, because the grown-ups are watching a video. Well, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe. Bye!